Introducing Cloud Service Networks Enhanced SD-WAN for POTS Replacement, powered by RabbitRun. Uni recognized POTS as the plain old telephone services that run on legacy copper lines. And there are still up to 30 million lines that need replacing. These lines are not as easy to replace with voice over IP, like normal office phones were. And they demand a much higher standard of service for businesses with elevator phones, building access, point of sale, medical fax, alarm panels, and many other safety phones for mission-critical applications. With our solution, customers can reliably replace old POTS lines using alternate path routing and diverse carrier with broadband and cellular connections combined. For medical fax, our SD-WAN eliminates the store and forward fax gateway requirements for voice over IP. We do this using Overlay Plus with the G.711 standard voice encoding protocol while maintaining fax packets integrity. Our customers can now benefit from flawless fax services that support the real-time transmission only and conduit exception type service for HIPAA, eliminating the risk of stored document access to private health information concerns. For alarm panels and emergency systems, we consider the National Fire Protection Association. According to the NFPA, alarm services require two separate means of voice transportation, and they need between 8 and 24 hours of backup power. Our SD-WAN router connects to your backup power system to detect power outages at the site. We also detect your POTS line registration and deregistration events and send alerts for both power and SIP line services to monitor emergency systems. Get started with POTS over SD-WAN. Visit us at www.cloudservicenetworks.com or send us an email via sales@cloudservicenetworks.com and become a valued customer. Thank you for watching.